We will guide you through how to use motion path in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Camtasia to open it, and wait for the main editing interface to appear. Click New Project to create your project before continuing with the next steps. As an example, drag and drop a video that was imported previously into the track section so you have content to work with. Go to the left side of the interface and click the Annotations menu. Then, select a text style as an example for the button design. Adjust the style as needed, such as creating a simple subscribe button that is easy to recognize. Split the button at the 2-second mark so the first section shows the original state. Change the text in the second section to subscribed. Then, change its color to make it look like the button has been clicked and activated. Next, focus on track 3 to add a new object. Select a callout with an arrow shape and add it to track 3. Delete any unnecessary text from the callout, so only the arrow remains visible. Adjust the position and size of the arrow according to your needs, making sure it points clearly toward the subscribe button. As an example, use a light blue color to make the arrow clearly visible against the video. Go to the left side and click the Visual Effects menu. Then, find the Motion Path option. Drag and drop motion path onto the arrow object. Adjust the starting and ending points of the motion path in the track section to control how the arrow moves. Then, adjust the arrow icon starting point so that it moves from outside the screen toward the subscribe button. Check the placement and movement carefully to ensure the animation appears smooth and points toward the intended area. Move the timeline to the beginning. Then, click the play button to preview the final result of your edit.